Hey guys! Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discourse about the history, progress, and development of banking. Let's jump into the history. Why? The banking history is long and complex, dating back thousands of years to ancient civilizations. Here is a brief overview of the evolution of banking. 1. Ancient banking. Before 1st century CE. Banking has ancient origins, with some of the earliest banking systems found in ancient Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece. These early banks provided loans to farmers and traders. In ancient Rome, bankers known as argentarii conducted various financial transactions, including money changing and lending. 2. Medieval and Renaissance banking, 5th–15th century. During the Middle Ages, banking in Europe was often associated with goldsmiths who kept valuable items in safes. People began depositing their coins and bullion with these goldsmiths for safekeeping and received receipts, which eventually evolved into banknotes. Italian city-states like Venice and Florence played a significant role in the development of modern banking, with the establishment of early forms of banking institutions. 3. Emergence of central banking, 17th–18th century. Central banks, such as the Bank of England, founded in 1694, were established during this period. They issued currency, regulated the money supply, and provided a means for governments to raise funds. These central banks laid the foundation for modern banking systems by issuing standardized banknotes and establishing reserve requirements. 4. Industrial Revolution and Expansion, 19th century. The 19th century witnessed significant advancements in banking, driven by the Industrial Revolution. Banks expanded their services, and a network of commercial banks emerged to facilitate economic growth. Innovations like the telegraph and the development of a national banking system in the United States contributed to the growth of banking. 5. Banking in the 20th century. The 20th century saw the rise of multinational banking corporations and the establishment of central banks in many countries. The Federal Reserve System, for instance, was created in the United States in 1913. Advances in technology, such as the introduction of credit cards and ATMs, revolutionized the way people access and manage their money. 6. Digital banking in the 21st century. The 21st century has witnessed the rapid growth of digital banking, with online and mobile banking becoming increasingly popular. Fintech, financial technology, companies have disrupted traditional banking models, offering new and innovative services. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have also emerged, challenging traditional notions of currency and payment systems. 7. Banking regulations and crises. Throughout history, banking has been subject to various regulatory changes and financial crises. The Great Depression in the 1930s, the savings and loan crisis in the 1980s, and the global financial crisis in 2008 are some notable examples. Today, banking is a complex and highly regulated industry that provides a wide range of financial services, including savings accounts, loans, investment services, and more. The history of banking reflects the evolution of economic systems and the development of financial institutions to meet the needs of societies over time. FAQ section. 1. What is the origin of banking? Banking has ancient origins, with early banking systems found in civilizations like Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece. These early banks provided services such as lending and money changing. 2. When did modern banking as we know it begin? Modern banking began to take shape during the Renaissance period in Europe, with Italian city-states like Venice and Florence playing a significant role. This era saw the emergence of early banking institutions. 3. What is the significance of central banks? Central banks, like the Bank of England, founded in 1694, are responsible for issuing currency, regulating the money supply, and often serving as the lender of last resort during financial crises. They are key institutions in modern banking systems. 4. How did the Industrial Revolution impact banking? The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century led to significant growth in banking. Banks expanded their services, and a network of commercial banks emerged to support economic growth. 5. What technological advancements influenced banking in the 20th century? The 20th century saw the adoption of technologies like the telegraph, which improved communication in the financial sector. Additionally, credit cards and ATMs revolutionized how people access and manage their money. 6. How has digital banking evolved in the 21st century? The 21st century has witnessed the rapid growth of digital banking, with online and mobile banking becoming popular. Fintech companies have introduced innovative services, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have challenged traditional currency systems. 7. What role do regulations play in banking history? Regulations have been essential throughout banking history. They help ensure the stability of financial systems, protect consumers, and maintain the integrity of the banking industry. Regulatory changes have occurred in response to various financial crises. 8. What are some notable banking crises in history? Notable banking crises include the Great Depression in the 1930s, the savings and loan crisis in the 1980s, and the global financial crisis in 2008. These events had significant impacts on banking and financial regulations. 9. How have banks adapted to changing economic environments over time? Banks have adapted by offering a wide range of financial services, including savings accounts, loans, investment products, and more. They have also embraced technological innovations to provide convenient services to customers. 10. What is the future of banking? The future of banking is expected to be increasingly digital and technology-driven. Artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and further developments in fintech are likely to reshape the industry. Banking will continue to evolve to meet the changing needs of consumers and businesses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment us about the topics on which you need videos.